Paper towels. Yeah, we've all stocked up on this valuable everyday item this year. I know it. So I know you have some at home that you can use for this project. But once you've used up a roll, don't throw away the tube. Turn it into a festive wall hanging. It's easy and no one will believe it's a tube turned tree art. So let's make it. You'll need 4 to 6 paper towel tubes, green paint, a canvas, hot glue, and embellishments. First, cut your paper towel roll lengthwise to create 2 halves. You'll need about 4 to 6 paper towels. Paint the inside of the paper towel roll green. Once that's dry, paint the outside of the paper towel roll. You only need to paint about 3/4 of the way. When your paper towel rolls are dry, cut them into little strips. Sketch out the shape of a tree on your dry canvas, and using hot glue, start gluing on your paper towel pieces. One at a time. You can use different colored greens to give it dimension. Now, on to adding the finishing touches. Add some garland and some ornaments, and of course, the star on top of your tree. And there you have it, a paper towel tree wall hanging. It's eco-friendly and perfect for your holiday decor.